Hello and welcome to the Mortgage Note Podcast. I'm your host, Scott Kembler, and we're talking today with LaTrease Price-Gistard. She is the founder of independent mortgage lender ACI based in Sugar Land, Texas, which is a suburb of the Houston area. Tell me a little bit about the background of ACI and a little bit of background about you and how ACI came to be and its purpose.
ACI came about, I will say, in December 2022. The interest rates were really starting to take us up. The job that I had at that particular time had I was laid off because of the lender that I was working with. They were losing was they were connected to a builder, and they were losing a lot of the contracts, and so they had to cut back. And so I was a part of that, and I was looking for new opportunities, and so I just decided to just go ahead and just give it a try and to see what I can do independently. I have worked as an entrepreneur before, and so I just figured I would just give it a try again and just see how it goes.
How's it been going?
It's been challenging, but I believe I have gotten to the point now to where I've been able to carve out a few ways of doing business that not necessarily completely dependent on just where interest rates are.
Who is your target clientele and what sets you apart from, say, the big box lenders?
Well, I wouldn't necessarily say that I have a target clientele because I'm here to help anyone who qualify. But I will say that the majority of the clientele that come to me would be more of your first time home buyers as well as senior citizens who may need to refinance and take out equity on their home.
When somebody comes to you and they're looking for a housing loan, what serves people best as far as getting their ducks in a row before they come to you, and what are the needs of a lender to build this partnership when a couple or a person does come to you?
The main thing I would say is to make sure that you have your credit in order and that you've been monitoring it well enough for you to know where it stands.
As you are very aware, the pandemic kind of threw many things into a tailspin, especially supply and demand. And that was just one of the many factors that really threw the wrench in the machine of the housing market. But now people and builders are beginning to adjust to the market changes. And in some metros, they are beginning to come down in price, in part due to sitting stock, where we have not had that before in a while. What shifts do you see coming in 2025 as far as the housing market, especially in your metro as well?
That is really hard to say. I'm going to be perfectly honest with you on that. There's so many changes being proposed that could have a impact on a lot of people, possibly even cause for people to lose their job. Anytime you have like a lot of people losing their job all at one time, well, that has a trickle-down effect, that sometimes could cause reduction in demand because people don't have jobs. So it's just really hard to say. I am optimistic some of these changes take place, that there are avenues and ways for people to find job opportunities and so forth.
What is it about finance and being able to help people get into a home that makes the business personal for you?
What gets me most excited about it is helping people. I do get a lot of gratification out of helping people. I love keeping people the process of becoming a homeowner. And I just love the idea of helping people to build and generate wealth.
If you could speak to everybody listening to us, what would you tell them about you to better get to know you? And what would you say that we've not touched on that comes to mind?
I'm here to help and to give back. I'm a veteran. I've served my country before, and I'm here to give back to my country, by helping people to achieve that American dream. And for most people, the American dream is to acquire wealth, become homeowners.
We've been talking to LaTrease Price-Gistard of ACI Lending. Join us again soon for the Mortgage Note Podcast.